Welcome back to this course on ethical hacking. Hello everyone. Now that we have Kali Linux installed, let's dive into a basic overview of this operating system. Kali Linux will be our primary tool throughout this course, and understanding its interface will make everything much easier as we progress. First, let's talk about the status bar. On the top left, you will find the application menu. All the tools are categorized here, making it easy to find what you need, whether it's information gathering, vulnerability analysis, or reverse engineering. You can explore and run any program directly from this menu. Next is the Places menu, which gives you quick access to a common file location like home, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, etc. or by simply clicking on the files icon on the left sidebar. Both options take you to your home directory. While it says home, the actual location is the root directory, which you can see by pressing Ctrl L. Here is root directory. Kernel Linux comes with multiple workspaces by default. These are like virtual desktop that let you organize tasks efficiently. Unlike this, you can switch into workspaces. You can switch between workspace using the workspace switcher on the top bar or by on the far right of the status bar. You will find control for volume, network connection and power setting. Right now it shows you are connected to a wired network because I will configure Kali to use a net adapter. If you are using a wireless adapter, it will show up here. However, the Kali only supports external USB adapter for Wi-Fi connection. Still, you should have internet access to the net configuration, just like when I load Google. In the same area, you will also see battery and user settings. You can access system preference here to adjust Bluetooth, Wi-Fi display, setting, or even change your background and language. Kali's file manager is very intuitive. You can easily navigate through your file, extract archives, and manage deleted items in the task. On the left, you also have a dock with your favorite application. By clicking the Show Applications, you can access menu of your most used tools or view all instead applications. So that a quick tour of Kali Linux. As you get familiar with it, things will become even easier. Spend some time exploring and don't worry, we will dive into more detail as we progress through the course. Let's dive into one of the most important tools. You will be using the Linux terminal. You can access it by clicking on this application right here. And as you can see, it opens a black screen where we can type the command. The Linux terminal is extremely powerful. In fact, many applications in Linux with graphical interface started as a terminal program. Sometimes the graphical interface might crash or be buggy, but the terminal will still work perfectly. Moreover, most penetration testing tools in Kali Linux does not even have a graphical interface. They only run through the terminal. This is why knowing how to use the terminal is crucial, especially when you might only have a command line access. Throughout this course, we will be using the terminal a lot. So let's start with some basic command and get you comfortable. The terminal works by typing commands and the result is displayed on the screen. Let's start with the simple command pwd, which stands for printing working directory. If I type pwd and press enter, you can see it prints root directory. Means we are currently in the root directory. Let's use the ls command. This command lists all the files and directories in the current working directory. If I type and press enter, you will see a list of all the directory here in root. Now if we want to navigate to another directory, we use the cd command, which stands for change directory. For example, if I want to go to the download folder, I just type cd download, cd, cd downloads and press hit enter. Now if I type pwd, you will see I am inside root slash download folders. If I run ls again, it will show me all the files in the directory. To go back one directory, all you have to do is type cd dot dot and press enter. Now if I type pwd, I am back in the root directory. If I type ls, I can see all the files and directory here again. There are many Linux commands and you don't have to memorize them all. You will naturally learn them as we can go through the course. But if you ever need help understanding how a command works, you can use the man command to view the manual. For instance, if I type a man ls, it will open the manual for ls command. It tells us that ls list directory contents and it shows us how to use it with different options like -a to show hidden files or -l for long listing format with more details about this file. Let's try the long listing format. I will press Q for exit the manual. Then type ls hyphen l to display more detailed information about the file. As you can see, it gives us more information like file permission and size. The man command works with any command, not just ls. You can use it with pwd, cd or any other command. So that's a basic introduction to use the Linux terminal. As we continue, you will get more familiar with these commands. Don't worry, we will go over them step by step throughout the course. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video.